Today, we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS General Book 15, Test 1, the Writing Task 1, the Informal Letter. A friend of yours is thinking of going on a camping holiday for the first time this summer. He or she has asked for your advice. Write a letter to your friend. In your letter, explain why you think your friend would enjoy a camping holiday. Describe some possible disadvantages and say whether your friend would like to go camping with you this summer. Begin your letter as follows. Dear Dash, this 150-word letter can be written in 20 minutes as follows. Begin your letter with Dear Janardhan. In para 1, mention the purpose of writing this letter. In para 2, explain why your friend would enjoy camping. In para 3, describe some possible disadvantages. In para 4, say whether you would like to go camping with him. In para 5, summarize the letter. And then end with best regards, Fred. The following slide shows an 8-band score sample of this letter. Dear Janardhan, I am thrilled to hear that you are considering going on a camping holiday this summer. Camping is such a fantastic way to reconnect with nature and unwind from the hustle and bustle of everyday working life. I am sure that you will thoroughly enjoy the experience of waking up to the sounds of birds chirping, breathing in the fresh air, and gazing at the stars in the night sky. It is, however, important to consider some potential drawbacks. Camping requires a bit of preparation and adaptation to outdoor living, including setting up tents, dealing with bugs, and being mindful of weather conditions. Yet these challenges can often turn into cherishing memories and learning experiences. I would absolutely love to go camping with you this summer. It would be an opportunity for us to bond, explore nature together, and create lasting memories. I am eagerly looking forward to our adventure. Best regards, Fred.